Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with...
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever.
Thought the praying would make it better, but I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over. It still hurt me just as bad when
the basket being all open. Janica will take care of it. May we request everyone to find
Picture tayo on series.
You can stand, you can wave, you can dance to the beat.
Isipin mo yung kahit tahimik sa loob ng room, once na mag-build mo siya, tatawa yung lahat ng tao.
Sige, go. This is so cute.
Ay nabi, nakapili na.
Yan na lang.
Pangit naman yun eh.
Yan. Hindi pala Hot Wheels. Hindi Hot Wheels yun eh. Dito ka niluto
Pwede
yan.
kaya paano sa'yo?
Patingin, show mo sa camera.
Ano na naman si Papa.
Wow.
Let's go.
Sa, ano sasabi ni nanay? Hindi sa, ano? Order mo?
Order mo daw.
Kumano ka? Oo. Galit? Ayun, ito sa
Alaba.
Galing kami doon sa Galing kami doon sa share. Galing naman kayo doon sa share.
Tapos,
Picture tayo.
winter melon. Winter melon.
Ay,
Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been dying to know about you. But we've been distant. Is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad, I know that it's easier said than done, and it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging you, please hold on. Maybe the reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared.
Samuel sa vlog.
And it's another day waking up at different.
Why can't I love you the way that I want to? Maybe it's something. Maybe it's.
Iba-iba yung characters niya.
Ano pangalan niya? Ano tawag niya?
Hiron. Ito.
Malapit na.
Kasi hindi naman siya residency, hindi naman siya specialist.
Hello. Finally.
Premier.
Dapat sana, dun sa may Ortigas, yung the library. Oo. Kaso ba
Yeah, pretty
Hello everyone. Ay, video ba? Yeah. Hello.
Tama ako ng pre-pandemic. Like, wala akong leg, wala akong... Oh shit!
Pakita mo nga.
Para mga undergrad.
Wow. Before and after.
Taba ako.
Doon! Hindi nga! Uy, uy, uy! Ayun, doon.
Ito,
Dali mo, dali.
ako,
O, babarilin ko.
sinariin saan? Parang gupit. Kuya, puputasin. Hindi natin yung nabibit.
Vlog ka ulit ni Tita ay ni Tina. Sino ba yun? Mayroong may sa passport?
Uy! Tino!
Manggagalit ka talaga. Sarap.
Thought the praying would make it better, but I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over. It still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me's found a way to let it go, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach.
Available po yung beef ravioli. Yes,
Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. Can we move forward? Bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting. But every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow.
Experience.
It's one word. One word, guys. Go, guys. One word. One word. Yes.
Was my home, Caroline Klein, Portuguese. I hope this was inspired you by Bookshops and Bondas by Travis by Sparky. Ay, ganda. Yes! Live by Serena Bell.
Show us what you got. Wow!
Wala rin akong gold na kailangan.
Books rin. Favorite ko yun.
Sabi ko, kailangan ko yung mga ganong libro. May kasi sobrang bagay ko magbasa.
Like the second book to.
Legends and Legends.
Ano ba yung set? Oh my God. Hanapin ko to yung first book.
Parang yung first book yan, parang halos same yung author.
Oo nga eh, kasi akala ko yung first book.
Piling ko mo kasi yung Legends and Legends. The Cemetery of Ghosts.
Ba't hindi ko alam kung contemporary fiction?
Parehas kami ni ano.
Hindi ko alam kung contemporary fiction to.
Ito gusto ko siya.
Para.
Kahit lumalas ng ano.
Parang, kasi nga nakuha na yung author niya.
Mga horror yun.
Yung more ng Vietnam.
Wow. Ba't di ko yung nakita?
Ito.
Tsaka this one.
Ito, anime.
Signed yan. Oo. Signed yan. Ang daming ganyan.
Hindi. Lahat doon pa yun. Hindi sa akin sa'yo.
Tumigil ako bigla mo.
Welcome to my channel again.
Lahat ng bola-bola kayo nawak pa. Ito na rin. Anong book yung nabasa?
Ano, The Murder of Mr. Ma. So parang sa akin, wow, murder mystery, ganyan. Diba sabi sa ano, yung kay Alice Guo, hindi daw common yung surname na Guo. Tapos may Guo doon.
Kailangan pala may
Ang alin.
Ponzu pala yung kinukuha ang dipping sauce. Yung garlic yung kinuha ko. May citrus yung ponzu. Ayaw ko.
Meron kasi sa amin, medtech yung may-ari. Parang
Hindi na naman ganito.
Wala akong pambili ng cellphone. Hindi ko. So, kawain.
Yes, no?
Ayun, sama na lang kita. Wala din naman yan sa Cavite. So,
gusto ko yung coconut. Alam mo yung gusto ko sa Vietnam? Gusto ko yung coconut coffee. Try mo yun. Ang ginawa natin doon.
sabi ko, wala, nag-Vietnam pa ako. Nagulat ako na Ho Chi Minh.
Hindi kasi nung kasi kami nag-direct siya ng Singapore kasi mas mahal. Cheers.
As in yung milk, coconut milk.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love.